Hello everyone, I am Parth Patel and welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. And today in this video, I am gonna show you what is Power BI and where it is useful. So if you are a beginner and want to learn and explore Power BI desktop, then this is the right video for you. And if you are in college and completing your graduation and post graduation, then this is the right time to learn Power BI and upgrade your skills. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a self-service business intelligence tool that helps you for connecting, modeling, and visualize data. And by seeing this, you must get to know that the BI in Power BI stands for business intelligence. And if you want to know more, you can always go to powerbi.microsoft.com. Now, we must have heard from many people that Power BI is a great tool and you should learn how to use Power BI. Because Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tools that can be used by wide range of people. So let me show you some of the roles that can benefit from learning Power BI. The first is business analyst. So these people use Power BI to collect, analyze, and visualize data to help businesses make better decisions. They need to have a good understanding of data and how to use it to tell stories. The next are data analyst. Data analysts use Power BI to clean, transform, and analyze data. They need to have strong technical skills and to be able to use statistical analysis techniques. Data scientist. So these people use Power BI to build predictive models and machine learning algorithms. They need to have a deep understanding of mathematics and statistics. Managers and executives also use Power BI to track KPIs, identify trends, and make informed decisions. They don't need to be data experts, but they should have a basic understanding of how to use Power BI to visualize data. IT professionals are the major one who use Power BI to build and manage data pipelines, create reports, and deploy dashboards. They need to have a good understanding of Power BI's architecture and how to use it to integrate with other systems. Next are marketers and sales professionals. These people use Power BI to track campaign performance, identify target audiences, and create professional and personalized content. They don't need to be experts, but they should be able to use Power BI to create visually appealing reports and dashboards. Even small business owners and students can use Power BI to learn about the data analysis and visualization. It's a great tool for getting hands-on experience with data and learning how to use it to solve real-world problems. So basically, anyone who wants to make better decisions with data can benefit from learning Power BI. It's a powerful tool that can be used by people with a variety of skills and experience levels. So these are some roles that can get benefit from learning Power BI. But now you must have questioned that who all can learn Power BI. So here are some prerequisites of learning Power BI. So the person who has basic understanding of data and how to use it to solve problems can use and learn Power BI. If he or she has an experience with Excel or similar spreadsheet program, ability to learn new software quickly, attention to detail and accuracy, and who has strong communication and presentation skills. So if you fulfill this criteria, then you are good enough to learn Power BI. Now, with the help of Power BI, you can inspect, explore, and understand data very well. And as I said earlier, you can connect multiple databases from different sources, and after that, you can create an interactive dashboards. And with help of these dashboards, you can have various insights of the data. Now, Power BI has three different variants. The first is Power BI Desktop. So this is the free desktop application that you use to create and design reports. And this is the one which I'll be using throughout the series of videos. The next is Power BI Service. So this is the online service where you can publish and share your reports. And this is the main difference between Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. So you can do all the things which Power BI Desktop does in the Power BI Service. And there is one plus point that you can publish and share your reports to your colleagues. And the last one is Power BI mobile apps. And these are the apps that you use to view and interact with your reports on your mobile devices. Now, these are some benefits of using Power BI Desktop, that it is free to use and it is very easy to learn, and after that you can use it very well. It has a wide range of features and it can connect a variety of data sources. And you can also create interactive reports and dashboards using Power BI. And it can be shared with others. Now, the last point is only applicable when you're using Power BI services. So I hope that you must have got a basic idea of what Power BI is and who can use it. And in the series of Power BI tutorials, the next video is how to download Power BI and start using it. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel if you like this video and share it with your friends. And now it's time to say you goodbye. Have a great day.